Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So, in this video, we are going to solve some labs or some challenges from PicoCTF, which held recently the 2022 CTF. I failed to participate. I don't have time. I don't remember it's happening. So now, after that one, let's try to solve some labs. So in this video I'll you know in the span of 30 minutes. So this video is going to be 30 minutes, or well, let's see whether I should post it separately or in the one. It depends upon the time. So let's without any scratch I'm sorry, scrap. Let's get started. So I'm here in the web exploitation category, and then we are choosing this PicoCTF 2022. If you don't know, you can go and choose these as well from 29, which I have solved something. You can go and you can start. But I want to begin with 2022. So let's go and let's start with the first challenge. So this is a very easy challenge. If you I already solved it. So they say many programming languages and other computer files have a directive, often called include. So if you don't know what are they, you can go and see it in the page source. So these are include. So you can go here, you can find a flag. First part of the flag, if you go to the JavaScript, you will see the second part of the flag. You can copy this one, you can go and submit. So let's copy this flag, let's come here, let's paste this one, let's copy this one, let's submit the flag, and you have solved this challenge correctly again. So next, let's go to the second thing. So this is also a easy one. So they said, however, according to Herodotus, I'm sorry, something Histios, okay, was unhappy having to stay in, so blah 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 blah. But this is also a very easy one. If you go to the inspect element, I'm sorry, if you can see the page source, you can find the flag here. So well, these are very easy challenges to solve. Anyone can solve them, but let's try the other challenges. So let's start with this one. Actually, let me close the other tabs. We'll try some different methods today. So secure customer portal, only letters and numbers are allowed for username and password. Let's try some default admin credentials. So that's fine, that's okay. So we can try some SQL payloads as well. I think there are some input filters, right? Yeah, so illegal characters used here. So let's go and see the page source here. So what do we have here? So it says login.php, the post method, and it's sending the username and password. So let's go. Do we have the terminal with us? Yeah, we have a terminal with us. Let's go to the CTF. I already have this directory, the PicoCTF. I'm sorry, PicoCTF. Let's make a directory for YouTube. Is it recording? Yes, of course it's recording. Let's go to the YouTube directory. Let's make a directory for web exploitation. That's fine. And now we are doing local authority. Let's make a directory for this one, local authority. Let's go back there. Now let's write some exploit. I'm sorry, sublime text exploit.py. Yes, not this one. So probably I was working with some other challenges here. So as you can see here, I have okay, what is this? Yep, that's fine. Now let's import requests. Let's get the URL. So this is the URL, right? And we are sending that login.php. So we have some sort of data we are sending. The first one is username and the value, I'm sorry, comma. Second one is the password and its value, right? So let's go hop over to here. The name is username and the name is password. Let's go username and the password. The username is admin and the password is also admin. Let's send this request dot post. It's using post method. So let's send it to the URL. Data is equals to data. Print dot text. Okay, so we have this cute little text here. Let's make it as a 2. Okay, we have it horizontally, but I want it vertically. Can I have it vertically? Okay, so let's go to the view. Let's go to the layout, and we need control option control 2, right? Option control 2. Yeah, it's working. So let's like drag this output to here, and let's set this content. I'm sorry. Let's set this content to HTML. Set the syntax to HTML so that we can read properly. So look at this. Look at this one. So okay. So we have a hidden form actually. Let me turn on the word wrap. Come on. Okay, on this as well. So the word wrap is on. That's fine. So as you can see here, we have a hidden form, and we also have some secure.js JavaScript file. We can look into it, and we have admin.php. It's a post method, and it's sending some. Sorry. Okay, it have some sort of text area input field with ID admin form hash. So if you okay, let's go to the bottom. So we have JavaScript here. It says the function filter function, which takes the string argument. The first variable function is true, and we have a for loop. And okay, so this one is, these are ASCII numbers. So if CC, which is the character code, I think, so the string dot character code of I, so it will check the ASCII character for each character. So it will convert this A into the ASCII number, and it will check whether it is in this, if it is greater than or equal to 48 or less than 48, is greater than 57. It will check because they said only the letters and numbers are allowed. So okay, we have that filter. So if it is true, then filter is true, filter passed is true, else it will return false. So, and we have window.username is equal to admin, which we have given the credentials admin and admin, and there we go. And we have some here. It will okay, they will pass through this filter function. So they have called the filter function here. Okay, if these both values are true, then we can go to here. So the logged in is equal to check password, and okay, we have some other function called check password. And if logged in, so this is the most important, I think. So document dot get element by ID message. So it is printing a message, login successful. So if it is successful, and it's taking document dot get element by ID, and it's assigning some value, this. Okay, so this is the admin form hash, and it also getting this hidden admin form and submit. So yes, if we are admin, so if the credentials match, it will take us to this admin.php. It will send this hash. So let's go, let's change this one. Let's say admin. Let's send it to the admin.php. Okay, so what is where is the form? I'm sorry. Okay, so the form name is hash. So we need to send a parameter name as hash, and we need to send this value. So let's copy that one here, let's paste that one here, let's send the data. I'm sorry, I don't want to buy. Okay. Oh, it says okay, not authorized. That's fine, that's good. I think is it right or not? Yeah. Oh, let's send it again. Yep. So as you can see here, we have successfully bypassed the login. So we have the flag, the PicoCTF flag. Let's go and submit here. That's 100 points. And yeah, so let's go to the second challenge. So we have search source. Let's go to this challenge. Let's click on here. I think it's flexed, right? What is the search source? So let's make a directory. Let's go back, let's make a directory called search source. Let's go to the search source. Okay, we don't know. Okay, why do we have two sublime text? Okay, so we have a thing here. So what the description says, the developer of this website mistakenly left an important artifact in the website source. Can you find it? So some developer, you know, forgot to remove the information. Okay, let's go and see the page source here. We can do it in sublime text, right? Let's go sublime text exploit.py. Let's import requests again. Let's take the URL. Let's run on the word wrap for some time. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I think it is good. Rather than the split window, I think this is the output and this is the input. This is good. Let's try this one. Okay. Now we have some data to send. Okay, we don't have data, right? So let's request.get the URL and the print dot text. Let's run it, and we have a long HTML code coming over here. They said this I mean, he forgot to delete something in the source code. So this is the source code of that website. Let me zoom out a little bit so we can see it naturally. Okay, it says document.html, and we have CSS, bootstrap, carousel, style.css, response to CSS, CDN, font awesome. That's fine. We have and images here. Here we all have images. I think we have index.html. That's fine. We have about these links. We don't have links for these. I think these are all the anchor links. So that means we'll have these in the website as well. You can see here this is pointing out some sort of ID, about ID, right? So when I click on this about, it will take me to the particular ID. Okay, don't you have about? Yeah. So we do have yoga. So when we click on this yoga, you can see here hash yoga. So this is the HTML having the yoga ID, which is a division, or you can say a container, or whatever you say. Yeah. So it's a division having yoga ID. Okay. Okay. So we have something here. The flag is not here, but keep digging. So let's see. Okay. Let's go to the sorry, here. Let's go to the page source. They said the flag is not here, so let's search for the flag like PicoCTF. Let's search it here. We have 0 matches. Let's search here. Okay, we have 0 matches. Okay, let's search this one here. Okay, so we have 1 match. So banner main PicoCTF inspection of web page. Let's copy this one. Let's paste this one here, and there we go. And we have some other part says, uh, hey, can you get can you get the flag? Here is the website. We know that the website lives. I'm sorry. We know that the website files live live in this directory. User share in Nginx HTML, and the flag is at /flag.txt. So that means the flag is in the root directory. So, but the website is filtering absolute file paths. So, okay. So can you get past the filter to read the flag? So if you don't know what is absolute file paths, it's an absolute path where the file is stored, like ect pass wd. So this is the absolute file path for pass wd file. Or if you want to access it, you can also do like some filters we have. Let's make a directory for this one as well. So it says forbidden paths. Okay. Okay, now let's write some code. Exploit.py sublime text. The same thing. Let's copy this here to here, because we use requests as well. So let's see the website. So it's running on here, this one. So let's go. Let's paste this one here and let's go back. So we have web e-reader, and we have some divine comedy.txt, Oliver twist.txt, the happy princess. So let's copy this one, let's paste it here, let's read it. So we have the file here. So let's try it with sublime text. So this is the original URL. I think what type of request it is sending, I don't know, right? So let's go to the network tag. Let's reload. Now we have s3.php. The file name is prince, the happy prince, the payload. Okay, it's a post method sending this to this endpoint. So the file name here, so let's define a data. The file name is the parameter name, right? And the happy prince is the happy prince. Okay. Now, so let's send a request post. The URL comma data is equals to data, and then print r.txt. I think we'll have the output here in this tab. Okay, we can close this one. Okay. So they have mentioned that absolute paths are not allowed. So if you use Linux, for example, if I want to access some file, I can use ect passwd. This is how I can access file. So that is the absolute path. If it is not allowed, I can do like this. I can go back and I can use ect passwd. This is one method. So they have mentioned that absolute paths are not allowed. So here they said the website is filtering the absolute file paths. So we cannot use the file paths. So what we can do is we can do like this, flag.txt. Okay, that is the output. Yeah. So they said file does not exist. Let's add another slash back. Yep. So we have the flag, the path to success, of course. That's fine. And we have a power cookie. Okay, what is this power cookie? Can you get the flag? Go to the website and see what you can discover. So let's go. Log continue as guest. That's fine. We have some sort of cookie editor here. Okay, so you can see here. This is the website. Is admin. So let's edit the cookie. Value 1. I'm sorry. Let's save the cookie. Let's Control R. And yep, we got no internet. That's successful. That's wonderful. Let me go and turn on my mobile hotspot. There is a power cut in my area. Ah, fine, bro. Yes, we can continue as guest. Let's click as guest. Oh, we apologize, but we have no guest service at the moment. But as you can see here, we have a cookie. So the value is 0. Let's edit the cookie and set it as 1. So the is admin is true. So right now we are the admin. So if I click on here, okay, I'm sorry. Let's change this to 1 again. Let's refresh it. Okay, why this is not happening? Why this is taking so much time? Okay, no problem. When I click on this, it is redirecting to check.php, right? So let's copy this one. Let's go back. Let's go to the another one. Let's I think we are creating just exploits in Python, so I think there is no need to create a directory. Let's sublime text power cookie.py. Let's this is the URL actually. This is the URL, but before that we need to import the requests module. Import requests. uh, Fine. And then what we need to send, okay, so let's go to the inspect element. Let's go to the network tab. Let's refresh it here, and we have this check.php. So this is a get method sending with the cookie. So where is that cookie? Yeah, so the cookie is admin is 0. So let's define a cookie. Is I'm sorry, is admin is 1, set to 1, so we don't need to send any type of data. All right, let's r is equal to requests dot get the URL, comma cookies is equals to cookie print r dot text. By the way, you can also use bub suit as well, but this is very easy to do. So we have the here PicoCTF grade A cookie, and I don't know what it is. Okay, let's go and submit it this one. And we have some 2 more. Okay, the flag is somewhere on this web application, not necessarily on the website. Okay, so the same website we have seen the flex. Let's go. The same one we are. Okay, check this out. Okay, the same flexed. That's fine. uh, they said the flag is on the website. Sorry, what they said, the flag is somewhere on this web application, not necessarily on the website. Okay, that's fine, that's good, that's interesting. So let's see if we have any interesting directories here. The flag is not here, but keep digging. Thank you. I'll do that. Okay, I think there is nothing. There is nothing. There is nothing. What they said. Uh, okay, Roboto Sans. Okay, the flag is somewhere on the web application and not necessarily on the website. So okay, in that case, let's check that robots.txt if they want to hide this flag. Okay, yes, yes, they want to hide the flag. We have some really good, interesting directories here. So we have CGI bin, and we have some texts which are base64 encoded probably, and we have some random text, and we have WP admin. I think it's is it running on WordPress? Oh no, I think they said it's running on Express, but we have WP admin. So let's check if we can log into the WP admin. Yeah, probably because we are running on Express. So let's copy this base64 string. Let's echo the string. Okay, so we have js myfile.txt. So let's copy this one. Let's go back. Let's paste this one here. Yep. So who doesn't like robots? That's fine. That's very easy. That's 200 points, and we have secrets thing. We have several pages hidden. Can you find the one with the flag? Yes. So they said they have several pages hidden. Okay. Okay. How can I see a page source? Okay. So if you don't know, I think it's a iframe. I think let me see if it is iframe or not. Okay. So we have a directory called secrets, secret assets. How can I see the page source? Not like this, probably. Yep. Yeah. You can see here we have a secret page saying secret. We can go there. So let's see what's in this directory. Okay. So we have forbidden. Let's go back to the secret. Okay. Finally, you almost found me. You are doing well. That's fine. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I know I'm doing it really, really well. Okay, let's go and see the page source of this source. We have hidden file.css, but nothing. So do you have anything on the page source? Nothing. So let's see what all files do we have in this hidden directory. Again, this is login with social media or manually. Okay, let's go to the page source again. Okay, so we have some sort of value here, super hidden some blah blah dot html. So let's copy this one. Let's paste it here. It says again not found, but if I see, yeah, finally you found me, but you can see me. I'm sorry, can you see me? Yes, of course I can see you, but is there any? Okay, yeah, so here is the flag. Success, I don't know what it is. I don't know. Yes, with that one we have 200 points earned. Let's try with this SQL Direct. So if you don't know, connect to the PostgreSQL server and find the flag. I think I don't have this one, PostgreSQL. So let's see if we can connect. Okay, connect to the PostgreSQL server and find the flag PSQL -H, the port P. and the user is this one. So let's do it with MySQL. I don't have MySQL. You have PSQL. Okay. So okay, I'll do this one later. I think I don't have PSQL installed, so I need to install it, or I'll do it on Kali. And we have something called SQLite, the challenges launches. Okay, so can you log in to the website? Okay, definitely, bro. We can log in. So we have admin. Let's click on login, and they say, yeah, we can see here. This is the SQL query we are getting. I think these are all beginner level, bro. They are all easy for me, but nothing interesting. Logged in, but can you see the flag? It is in the plain sight. Yeah, I hopefully I can see it in the page source. Okay, the flag is looks like you have solved it. Okay, that's good. That's great. That's not great. And we have a 500 point challenge. I think this is taking too long, maybe. Yep. So we have 500 points challenge. The peace server uses the challenge currently experience an outage. However, this does not affect its solvability. Okay, so if, let's lose the instance. Okay, so there is a unique, quite as fun as, I'm sorry. Okay, fun as drawing for an audience. So let's sign up for a live art today and show the world what you can do. Site live art, and we have some bundle here. I think this will take a lot of time to solve. So what I'll do is I'll post this 500 points challenges in the next video. Hopefully I'll make separate videos for them. So okay, so we have 18 and 151 solves. Okay, I think they are pretty hard. So that's fine. That's it for this video. I hope go and try this PicoCTF. It's very big, beginner friendly. You can learn a lot of stuff. You can jump here and you can solve more things. All right, that's all. That's all. Yeah, thank you for watching. uh, if you find it a good content, you can go and subscribe, you can like the video, or if you want to share it with your friends, or if you know who wants to build a career, or who want to learn about cybersecurity, you can share it with them as well. Or else, thank you. Bye bye, have a good day.